Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can get back the multi-pinning option in the Snapchat app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So friends, let's get started. And first of all, please open up the Snapchat app. Then in the top left corner, click on your profile icon. Now, you'll need to click on the gear in the top right corner to go to Settings. Now scroll down a bit and find the section called Clear Data. Go to it and select Clear Cache and confirm your action. After you have cleared the cache in Snapchat, go to it again. Click on the gear again and scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find the logout function. And you'll need to click on that. After that, go to your phone settings. Next, scroll down a little bit, find the General section. And here you'll find iPhone memory. And in the iPhone memory section, you'll need to find the Snapchat app and tap on it. Next, tap right here on Unload the app. After you unload the app, you will have a feature here after a few minutes called Reinstall App. You will need to click on it. Thanks to such manipulations, you will have the Snapchat app updated. It will be completely reinstalled, but at the same time you cannot worry about losing any of your data. No, when you reinstall the Snapchat app, all your data in it will be preserved. It will just clear all the cache, clear all the corrupted files, which will help you fix the situation with the multi-binding option in the app. So, after you reinstall Snapchat here, you will be able to go to the Snapchat app again and log in. Friends, this is how you will be able to get back the multi-binding option in the Snapchat app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.